Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2011 DIA annual meeting in Chicago. Hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of PharmaVOICE. In this session, Taryn meets with Ronald Waife, president, Waife & Associates.
Ron, so good to see you at DIA again. Can you provide us with your impressions about this year's conference?
It's been very interesting, Taryn. I've been looking around the show floor. There's another generation of exciting services and particularly exciting technologies. And I think we're at another inflection point where what's being created by the many service providers here in the industry is once again running ahead of sponsors' abilities to implement them. And so while I'm excited about what's being shown, we know from past experience how long it's going to take to actually use these in day-to-day operations.
So what does this mean to you, and how do you see your business changing in the next few years?
In the past, Waife & Associates has concentrated, and we're best known for two things. One is the assistance in technology adoption in clinical research, and the second is the overall process improvement to find efficiency in clinical development. The impact of how the industry is changing, particularly in terms of the accelerated pace of outsourcing, means that while holding on to those two things that customers are still asking us for, we have to definitely expand what we've started to talk about, which is service provider management, that there has to be greater skills inside the sponsor community to know how to manage the many third-party providers who are making their work successful.
Finally, Ron, you've written about innovation and consulting. How does this all tie together with what you are seeing in the industry?
Well, we think that we have something special to offer, and what we think of as innovative is pragmatic innovation. We focus on knowing about what the industry is moving towards new technologies and new approaches, but it has to be pragmatic. And we think that clients really need from their consultants a truth-telling, if you will. So we're kind of known for that. And I think the third point is a sense of humor. So if you can have a sense of humor, tell your clients the truth, and focus on the pragmatic, I think that that's innovation and consulting.
Additional Editors Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.